On Protolyst, we use the term atom to mean the important details, key ideas, and concepts that you want to remember and find again later. They're usually anything from a couple of words to a few sentences in length. When you create an atom, you're saving that info outside of the source file, so you can access it more easily and connect it anywhere else that it's going to be useful to you across your Protolyst workspace. To start adding atoms into your workspace, you're going to need to add the sources of your info. And to add sources into your workspace, there's several different options, from typing your own notes to uploading files, as well as importing web pages. So here's a web page that I imported earlier. And so very similarly to highlighting text with a highlighter as you're reading through something, you highlight the text on screen and then choose Capture Atom. And this creates an atom in your workspace. This atom has now been saved into my workspace, so I can click off to carry on reading and capture further atoms. You can grab as many atoms as you want. You can also add atoms into your workspace without using highlighting and use this plus button up here. If this menu hasn't opened, you can open it using this Show Hide Properties bar option in the top right of your page, and then select the Atoms tab. And then the plus button is underneath that Atoms tab title. So I hit the plus button, can choose New Atom, and then I can enter my own text into the atom box. Once you're done adding atoms, you view the atoms captured in a page within this Properties menu. You can expand the Properties menu using the Show Hide Properties menu button in the top right, and then navigate to the Atoms tab. All of the atoms that you have captured in this page will list here. If you have captured atoms from pages that sit within a table, you can use the Atoms property to display the atoms captured in each page in the table, so you can get an overview of your atoms. So if I capture an atom within this page, which sits in the table, you can see that in the Properties menu, because it is a table, I have a Properties tab in addition to the Atoms and Pages tab. In the Atoms tab, that atom that I just captured displays. And then if I jump back to the table view, and I have an Atoms property in my table, all the atoms captured in this page will display here. So as your workspace grows and evolves and fills with more information, you can also use Workspace Search. Workspace Search is accessed at the top of your left-hand sidebar. Once opened, it will display a list of all the pages and all the atoms in your workspace. You can start typing a keyword into the search bar, and it will search through all your pages and atoms. So you can use this Workspace Search to quickly relocate a page or a specific atom.